Formula for soap made from water, alkali and cassia oil was written on a Babylonian clay tablet around 2200 BC. Manufactured soap bars first became available in the late 19th century, and advertising campaigns helped to increase their popularity. This product's reputation is squeaky clean. It has function and form. Soap comes in a variety of shapes, colours and textures. It all starts in a bubbling kettle, where animal or vegetable fat reacts with sodium hydroxide, a caustic substance, to create soap. Water is added to keep it fluid, as steam bubbles up through the centre to mix it all up and encourage the chemical reaction. The leftover soap that settled at the bottom of the kettle is poured into a tank and reused in the next batch. Now, hot liquid soap is sprayed onto a big metal roll. It solidifies in a flash, and a large blade scrapes it off the roll, creating ribbons of soap. The soap ribbons plunge into a hopper, where an auger moves the soap along, sending it down a chute. The soap ribbons fall all the way to the next floor, to big steel rollers called mills, which mix and compress the soap. A blade scrapes it off the rollers and cuts it into ribbons again, but these soap ribbons are denser. Inside the next hopper, another auger turns. It pushes the soap through an extruder called a noodle plate that shapes it into soap noodles. As the noodles fall from the extruder, they're collected in bins, which are then dumped into a mixer. At this point, colour is added, in powder and liquid form. Steel blades stir it up until the colour coats the soap noodles. Fragrant oils are added, and the blades toss it all together. When the batch is ready, a trap door opens. The blades keep turning, nudging the soap out the door. Then it's forced through another noodle plate. This mixes up the batch a little more. Next, the soap is pushed through a forming plate, making a long bar. Blades mounted on a track slice it into shorter pieces called slugs. The soap slugs move to the next stage on a two-lane thoroughfare and head into a die press. A mechanical arm pushes the slugs through an oval plate, trimming it and then loading it into the die. The die rotates to accept the slugs. Mechanical presses move in to shape and stamp them. Mechanical arms suction the bars to remove them from the die. These mechanical pushes help. They nudge the soap bars out of the die towards the suctioning arms. The oval soap bars now travel through a wrapping station. A blade crimps and heat seals the plastic wrap in one swift movement. Then, automated grippers grasp the wrap bars and load them into a machine, which slides them into boxes. Now it's time to pack it in and scrub up with the soap of your choice. Don't forget to wash behind your ears.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always